In today's lesson, I'll show you how to implement Google Admob to your iOS project. First of all, go to developers.google.com website Mobile Ads SDK for iOS. Now, first of all, read the guide, and the first thing we will import the Mobile Ads SDK with pod file, and let's open the Xcode. Create a new Xcode project, and next, product name Admob test storyboard with Swift, and next, and I click create, replace, and then open the terminal and open the project folder with terminal, and I'm writing desktop cd admob test, and now we need to create pod file, and I'm writing pod init. I create pod file, and I have to open it. Open pod file. I create pod file and I open it. And now we will add the Admob SDK on pod file. I copy here and here, copy and paste it here, and we can close and open terminal again and write pod install. Downloading dependencies and install. We install it. And now we must work with Xcode project file, and I'm closing this, opening Xcode again, open a project or file, Admob test. You can see Admob test XC workspace. Open it. Now you can see our pods Google Mobile Ads SDK. We install SDK, and then pod install, we make this, and we must update our Info.plist. I'm copying this, GAD application identifier, you can see Info.plist, and now I will open as source code, and I'm coming here, I paste it here. I can open it like property list again. As you can see, we will change this ID with our Admob ID later. This is a test ID here, and I'm continuing We will initialize the mobile ads SDK. Yeah. Open the app delegate .swit file. We must write import Google mobile ads, and then we will copy this and we'll paste it here. Yeah, I save it, and then select an ad format. Interstitial. Implement an interstitial. How we can implement? It's really easy steps. First of all, I will add a storyboard. This is my window. I will add a button. Text here. I will change like click me. I'm coming here and insert an action. Click button and we must import Google Mobile Ads. Import Google Mobile Ads, and then in VVD load, first of all, this one, and you copy this and paste it here, and then I will make an IB action. I will copy this and I'll paste it here, and that's all. We can start with iPhone 12 here and building Admob test. Build failed. Why? Yeah, I see why. View controller, yeah. We will make this one and build it again. And yes, now click the button, and as you can see, that's all. Thank you for watching me. See you again.